are bread, minced chicken masala, cheese, butter, green sauce, jalapenos, olives, cheese sauce, red chili sauce, and pepper. If you want, you can use red chili sauce and pepper. The green sauce is nothing but mint chutney. Then I'm going to add this mint sauce. Done. Now I need to add some cheese. So now I'm done with the cheese. Now it's time for the chicken masala. So this chicken masala is nothing but minced chicken. So now we're going to add the topping. So we have jalapenos and olives. And if you want, you can add cheese sauce. Okay, now the olives. They look like grapes. So now I'm going to add cheese sauce. Done. Now I'm going to add pepper. I'm not going to add any chili sauce because I don't want to. If you want to, you can add some chili sauce. Done. So now we're going to add another cheese on top, cheese slice on top. Now I'm going to add the bread top. So I'm going to add the red chili sauce on top. Looks like ketchup. So we're going to add another bread slice. Now we're done. We're going to turn on the stove. And now we're going to click slow cook. Now I'm going to keep the bread on. I'm going to put butter on top since we already added the butter on the bottom. Now we're going to close the sandwich cooking pan for a minute. Bye-bye. You have to cook it for a few seconds and then flip the sandwich so that the other side will get cooked. I flipped the sandwich, now the other side is cooking. After this side is done, we can cut the sandwich and then the sandwich is done. done, and I'm going to cut it. Now we're done with our masterpiece sandwich. Chicken sandwich.